Composing for a mobile phone isn't straightforward. You have to consider the dynamic range of the device and also the frequency response. What's wonderful about working with Vertu is being able to use live musicians, being able to use the London Symphony Orchestra. I think my experience as a film composer allows me to push and pull emotions.
The piece of music's quite tricky. It's quite an athletic piece. It goes from the bottom notes in the register right up to the top in a very short space of time.
At Vertu, we use the best materials for our phones. Scratch-proof sapphire for our screens, titanium for our chassis, and fine leather for the casings. It only makes sense that we use the same approach with our audio.
Something about 3 notes from here.
Do one more? Yeah, ready when you are.
Yeah, rolling.